This year, Skilled Trades will use robotic tooling on a CANDU reactor face for the first time ever. Through 2030, Bruce Power is refurbishing 6 of our 8 reactors to provide a third of Ontario's clean energy for decades to come. You may have already seen our automated installation tooling for Unit 3. The tool set comes to the vault this year, projecting to help skilled tradespersons install hundreds of reactor components precisely, safely, and efficiently. The trades will be ready.
In Unit 6, the Calandra tube install tools were a manually operated tool set. It took roughly 85 to 90 days to successfully finish the series. With this new tool set here, we're targeting around a 60-day execution or better. That includes a 6-day transition in window where there's a lot of setup work on the fill-in floors in different areas of the vault. So there's composite crew of Boilermakers and millwrights that'll be operating the tools. We've been involved with the tool design and integration activities for the past year. We've learned a lot of strategies on how to more efficiently transition the tools safely and have a more knowledgeable workforce in the fit-up of these first-of-a-kind tools.
Pit stops have been just introduced recently. A pit stop is more of a singular-based item. So as opposed to having a large amount of the entire tool set, we can break that tool set up into one small piece. Utilizing the pit stops, it enables us to break everyone up into smaller groups, lets them focus on particular pieces of the job, and then rotate through those different steps. It allows the workers to be able to go through each piece and become more competent. They can now be repetitive and hundreds of times, as opposed to taking up the entire mock-up and limiting themselves to a smaller number.
Pit stations are important to us because we can train outside the vault when they have to go to the station, go in the vault, and do these tasks. Our main goal is keeping the automated tables running to 100%, the best of our ability. So we're kind of like a pit crew in a way. We get called for breakdowns. We got to get in there, change out components or parts, get them up and going again. So we're ready to go, and we don't have too much downtime on critical path.
We do have tight time frames to be able to integrate all of our tooling so that we're successful when we actually execute in the field. We're able to utilize the pit stops effectively to still train our workers while leaving the actual main mock-up free for the TPT as much as we possibly can.
I've been involved since 2018, but before that I was also part of the Bruce 1 and 2 restart in 2006. My favorite aspect of the job is being involved with first-of-a-kind tooling, working through the issues and determining on how to operate them as a team to be successful on the reactor face. We've never had a tool set like this that can recreate the finesse of a human to be able to install a tube and position it and roll it without issue.
Working hand in hand with Shoreline Power Group, ATS, and Bruce Power over the last 3 years, we've really come together as a group and as a whole. We're working on this project hand in hand, making sure that we succeed in the field whenever it's time to execute this automated series.
It's really critical that the trades are engaged with the tooling performance team. They operate these tools, they maintain these tools, and without them we can't be successful. A lot of great teamwork between our engineers, our designers, our programmers, and our systems people. It's been really fantastic and energizing over the past several months as we finish integration here. It's critical that when you install a Calandra tube that it's done with precision and accuracy. It's a pressure boundary joint, and with the tooling that we're bringing to the face today, we've elevated that game to a very, very high level. So we'll see great performance in the future.